Hi guys, and welcome back for another very exciting review. Today we talk about something that is called high but is actually very low. I'm talking about this guy. Its sturdiness is unbelievable. Proaim Mitchell Cyrus Hi-Hat is a very versatile camera support to place your baby in spots where you cannot put any other tripod or traditional hi-hats with a flat base. It has a cool triangle shape with 3 adjustable feet for uneven surfaces. Tools-free adjustments are provided and it is very easy to set up. Standard platform provides a Mitchell mount, but it can be easily converted to pole base. Adding this adapter you can buy separately. A nicely placed bubble leveler to keep everything perfectly level is also part of this masterpiece. Using common scaffold legs you will be able to place your camera very low, nicely and stable within seconds. Its concept with those speed rail feet is really clever. It results adaptable to any kind of ground. For sure this will be another important tool to add to my must-used equipment. Proaim Mitchell Cyrus Hi-Hat represents from now a must when it comes to low-level filming. For further information, feel free to check Proaim's website. This is Francesco and we will see you next time.